Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. And the sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain.
Spring Rain by H.J. Gardner. First draft, April 26, 1998, revised December 16th, 2022. Columbia University, Mathematics Building, 5th floor, room 505. Annual April meeting of the Board of Directors, Alice Rich Northrop Nature Camp. A charcoal clouded sky's pastel light joins a welcome waft of foggy air slipping through a small gap under a 10-foot-high window. This classroom's janitor hadn't erased the blackboard's burden of cryptic numbers and words, including removable singularities, which Wikipedia kindly defined, and I truncated, as follows. In complex analysis, a removable singularity of a holomorphic function is a point at which the function is undefined, but it is possible to, etc. Sadly, speaking of numbers, in 1993, our camp's uninsured main house was destroyed by fire, forcing us to shut down. Happily, speaking of numbers, we directors accepted the Nature Conservancy's offer of $500,000 for us never to build upon our camp's wilderness acreage. Since then, we have sponsored many needy city children's attendance at well-endowed summer nature camps. Meeting over, satisfied, we go outside smiling at being quasi-baptized by the heaven-sent approval and simplicity of a soft spring rain.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. And the sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain.